tree, Todd.
Come on, get out of the way.
Good idea.
Can you get a few pictures of him? I got a big bag.
Wow.
Was that his head hitting the horn? Better cut your wheels with the rat.
Back off! Back off!
Run, Dave, run! I think he just broke an axle. Oh, I hope not. I heard something pop real loud. Yeah, he just broke an axle.
What broke?
Oh, God. Driver's side axle.